nagsisimula pala akong tubuan ng kung ano-ano sa katawan. Tapos pag lumalakad ko, ganyan yung nagtitip ko ng mga notebook ko. Sabi ng teacher ko sa nanay ko, "Uy, Mare, agapan mo yan si anak mo kung magiging ganun talaga." Ginawa ng nanay ko, kinausap ako ng one-on-one. "Anak, ang pangarap ko sa'yo, maging sundalo." Binigyan ako ng mga laro ang Armalite na bumubutok. Paano naman ako maging sundalo eh? Pag ako nagpuputok ng mga laro ang Armalite, bratata, bratata. Yung mga hand grenade na sumasabog-sabog. Shhh! Bomba. Ihikarin ko yan. Kuya! Ba't na yung mapangintik ko? Rain, jumping out, when I'm sick. Oh, and like that, your eyes out. Rain follows me, even in my head. It's rain, it's the tear that I shed. There'll be no sunshine in my life until you say you're mine, oh mine. There'll be no summer, spring or fall. Each day is mine, winter time. But I can never say I care. I know it won't be strong. Somebody wants your heart. It can never be mine. So your dreams when you're near, no way we can even touch. Rain knows that I love you so much, but I know that my heart will only cause you pain. So I'd rather live with the rain. There'll be no sunshine in my life until you say you're mine, oh mine. There'll be no spring or fall. Each day is mine, winter time. But I can never say I care. I know it won't be small. Somebody loves your heart. It can never be mine. Somebody loves your heart. So,